Did you know that some cryptocurrencies have outperformed traditional investments by over 1,000% in just a few years? Crazy, right? Today, we're diving into the world of long-term cryptocurrency investments that you absolutely need to consider. Let's explore which ones could potentially set you up for financial success. In this video, you'll discover the best long-term cryptocurrency investments that are worth your attention. We'll talk about why they stand out in this crowded market and how they could be game changers for your investment portfolio. Get ready to take some notes. Now, let's be real for a second. With thousands of cryptocurrencies available, it can be totally overwhelming to sift through them and figure out which ones are actually solid investments for the future. You might be asking yourself, how do I even begin to choose? It's easy to get lost in the hype, especially with so many projects popping up left and right. Some have catchy names and wild promises, but not all of them have the fundamentals to back them up. So, how do you find the gems that are worth your time and money? That's the challenge we're going to tackle today. Alright, let's jump into the meat of this video. First up, we have Bitcoin. As the original cryptocurrency, it's often referred to as digital gold. Its limited supply makes it an attractive hedge against inflation, and it's the most recognized crypto out there. Next, we have Ethereum. This isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform for decentralized applications. Its smart contract functionality opens up endless possibilities, and with the shift to Ethereum 2.0, it's poised for even more growth. Moving on, we can't forget about Cardano. Known for its focus on sustainability and scalability, Cardano is making waves with its academic approach to blockchain technology. Then there's Solana, which is gaining traction for its super-fast transaction speeds and lower fees. It's been attracting a lot of developers, which bodes well for its long-term potential. Lastly, let's talk about Chainlink, a game-changer in the world of decentralized finance. It connects smart contracts with real-world data, making it invaluable for many blockchain applications. These cryptocurrencies are not just buzzwords, they have unique features and technologies that set them apart. Now, let's highlight a standout cryptocurrency that's been making headlines, Polygon. This Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum has shown remarkable growth and stability. With the rise of decentralized applications and the need for faster transactions, Polygon has positioned itself perfectly. Industry experts are predicting that it will continue to thrive as more projects adopt its technology. Plus, it has real-world use cases that are proving its worth in the blockchain space. So, if you're looking for a long-term investment, keep an eye on Polygon. To wrap things up, we've covered some top cryptocurrencies that you might want to consider for your long-term investment strategy: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Chainlink, and of course, Polygon. Remember, while these projects have potential, it's super important to do your own research before diving in. The crypto market can be volatile, so being informed is key to making smart investments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my next video on cryptocurrency trading strategies. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your favorite cryptocurrencies for the long haul? I can't wait to hear from you.